History was made on today's date. Stay tuned for an American Minute with Bill Federer.
Fur trapper, Indian agent, and soldier. This was Kit Carson, who died this day, May 23, 1868. Carson's exploits west of the Mississippi were as famous as Daniel Boone's east. While bringing Indian chiefs to New York to meet American leaders, Kit Carson almost died. He stated, "I felt my head swell and my breath leaving. Then I awoke. My face and head were wet. I was on the floor and the chief was holding my head on his arm. He was crying. He said, 'I thought you were dead. You called on your Lord Jesus, then shut your eyes and couldn't speak.'"
This has been an American Minute with Bill Federer. For a free transcript, call American Minute at 1-888-USA-WORD.
This is Ron Ross with Powerful Seniors. Seniors realize American history is being ignored and erased. The Bible compels us to do something about it. It says, "Teach what you've seen and heard to your children and grandchildren." Please share this video with your family and friends and encourage others to join Powerful Seniors.